guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be trying out this hair paint that y'all done told me I need to try out. I got some on. The box looks like this. I got it off Amazon. I'll have it in the Amazon store below depending on how this goes. Well, it's gonna be in there anyway, but let's just get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I opened it for you guys on live, but I didn't open it, y'all. Mofa Jang, I think that's how you say it. And this is hair coloring material. Basically, you don't necessarily have to dye your hair. You just put this on and you get the color. So this is gold, which I'm hoping comes out looking kind of blonde or whatever. It comes sealed. Y'all see that? It comes sealed, so I'm just gonna go ahead and peel it back. Okay, so I've already done my wash and go, y'all. I use a combination of the Eco Styler Gold Gel, which I haven't used in a minute. I was excited to use that again, which my hair look good, right? And I use this Aveda B Curly Curl Enhancer. I basically use these two together, guys, and I actually ain't mad at the results. Like, I'm not mad at the results at all. I had some clips up here, so that's probably why it looks like that. A little frizzy right there, but other than that, we're looking pretty good. My hair is still dripping wet because I feel like I need water when applying this. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm about to section my hair off. Hope my wash and go don't mess up, because I ain't never like retouched my wash and go right after I really did it. Maybe I can put it on this entire section. Oh god, I hope this does not turn out super horrible. So I'm just gonna get some. I'm gonna get the one off the top first. Just that little bit. It's what it looks like in my hand. Yeah. Let's see. You know what? I think I do want to do the prayer hand. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it. I'm going to get a lot now because that ain't do nothing. Put some in my hand. I'm going to go ahead and like, I don't know, get it warm, nice and warm. And then just go in with the prayer hands. Just like that. Huh. Not too shabby. I kind of like the prayer hands for real, because it's like it's not disturbing my curls, but it's applying the color like really nicely. So I'm just gonna continue to try to apply this color all over my hair. You guys know how I do. I don't necessarily like to talk while I do my hair. So I'm just gonna continue applying the color to my hair. I'm not gonna go all the way up to the roots. I'm just gonna go, you know, up as much as I want, really. And then I'll come back when I'm done.
Lie to me. I know that you've been a lie for me. Lie to me. I know that you've been a lie for me. I know that you've been a lie for me. Lie to me. Lie to me. Tell me that there's no other one. Tell me that when I'm ready to pop off, you ready to run up. Tell me that you're on my way. Tell me that you got my back as I hold the gun. Get the car ready to run. Lie to me, lie to me. You gotta lie to me. You gotta lie to me, lie to me. You gotta lie to me, baby. You gotta lie to me, lie to me, lie to me. You gotta lie to me, baby. You gotta lie to me. You gotta lie to me, baby. You gotta lie to me, lie to me. You gotta lie to me, baby. You gotta lie. Tell me that you wanna be friends. Tell me that you don't want this thing on the first night. Tell me that you wanna love my mind. Tell me that you wanna talk all night. Tell me that you don't like a quiet chick.
Okay, guys, so I'm done with the color. It didn't take long. But here's what my hair looks like. I know I got it on my face, but whatever. Let me see. This is what the color is looking like. Definitely looking very golden. Very, very golden. So yeah, this is it. I hope it doesn't come out looking like frizzy. Hope it comes out looking nice and juicy and defined and stuff. So I'm gonna go sit under the dryer. You guys know how I do. And then I will probably go ahead and just diffuse. Then I'll do my shaping method, which I'll put right here. If you guys haven't seen that, then I'll come back basically and show you guys the final look. So yeah, guys. Sky. Yeah, don't pay Sky any attention. I'm gonna put her down. Say hi, Sky. Say hi, Mama. She's like, bruh, no. So, it's the next day. I just put my hair in a bun. I slept on a satin pillowcase last night just because, I don't know. I just didn't feel like putting the bun on. So, I'm going to just take this out. But this is what the color looking like. Ooh. Okay. I don't like it. Let's just go ahead and put that out there. I don't think I like the color. I don't know if it's the actual product or the color, but this just looks so fake. So fake. Like, nothing about this looks real. This, I thought it was going to come out looking blonde. This came out looking like somebody's golden green. Like, I see green. Like, anybody else see green? I don't know. I just don't feel like this is cute. I just don't. Just trying to loosen some of this up. But I don't know. Ugh. I mean, it's the color that the color is. So maybe I just need to get another color. What y'all think? And it looks like it did okay. As far as my curls, they look fine. The color just makes my hair look a lot drier than it is. Which is... it's okay, but like, I don't really want to go anywhere like this. I don't know why. Is it not that bad? Is it bad? What y'all think? I mean, I like the wash and go though. I do like the wash and go. Like, this wash and go is giving me damn vibe. My shirt is a little dark, but you can kind of see that it's like coming off on this shirt. So but this is the fun. I just want to jet my chair up so you guys can see. But this is it. I'm just trying to fluff it out. I literally have not taken my hair out since I woke up. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just trying to fluff it. Make it a little bigger. I really like this wash and go though. I can't lie to y'all. Like, I really feel like another combo is about to come. Just for these two products. Like, this wash and go looks so bomb. And remember, I said I used the Aveda Be Curly Curl Enhancer along with the Eco Style Gold. Like, sis, you ain't gotta like the color, because Kim don't like the color. But this wash and go though, y'all can't tell me this wash and go is not like popping. Like, this is a nice ass wash and go. I don't know. I'm feeling the wash and go. I'm mad that I put color in my hair because I don't like the color. But yeah. So that's my verdict. I mean, the color I don't necessarily like. It looks gold in the pack. It comes off gold on your hair. Maybe if you're a little bit of a lighter complexion, it may look a little better. Your skin tone's not like mine, it may look a little better. But for me, I just feel like this looks fake. I don't think... if I'm going to get a color like this and really, like, get it to use it when I want to go places, I want to just switch up my style, I want it to be a color that looks real. This don't look real. It looks like I put some kind of chalk in my hair, which I don't like that look. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll try another color. Have y'all tried it? Let me know below. Did you like it? Let me know below. I really thought this was going to make my hair look blonde. And, I mean, it did exactly what it's supposed to do. My hair does not feel dry. It feels moisturized. And I do feel like it's a good product. I don't like the color. I don't like the color. And it comes off, like, on your hands and stuff. And I like to touch my hands a lot. So, like, y'all know I do this all the time. Like, what's up? But, like, doing that, you can't necessarily do that because it's on your hands. Like, it's gold on my hands, guys. Gold. So, take that into consideration when you are getting this. Like, it's going to affect your clothes a little bit, and also like your fingers every time you touch it. So I'm sure you're gonna touch somebody. If you touch somebody else, you're probably gonna put the gold on them. But it comes out. It's like it washes out water. So that's the only thing. So I hope I gave you guys kind of a good idea of what to look for or expect when using this product. I do think that applying with the prayer hands was the best. I got a lot of coverage, and I did not use a ton of product. I still have, you know, quite a bit of product. So it can definitely take you a long way if you make sure your hair is wet, and then rub it into your hands, get it all warm and stuff, and then do your prayer hands all throughout your hair, because like I said, it does look good. Like, it looks like I applied the color pretty okay. I just don't like the color. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.